Good morning, students. Just in previous period we discussed about the introduction regarding the haloarenes. After that, the some methods for preparation of haloarenes, that is aryl halides. Now today we have to discuss the chemical properties of haloarene. Now you know this haloarene, the member is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, or it also named as a phenyl chlorides. Is it clear the terms? So here we discuss these chemical properties of the haloarenes. Now this chlorine, the halogenetic carbon is sp2 hybridized state. You know how it is sp2? Because this carbon having a double covalent bond. So first of all, the reaction with aqueous NaOH, reaction with aqueous NaOH. So when this chlorobenzene react with aqueous NaOH at 373 kelvins and 4 atmospheric pressure, you will get here ONA and removal of HCl named as sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxides when the chlorobenzene react with NaOH. Understood it is? And in the further step, the sodium phenoxides are acidified with dilute HCl, so it eliminates NaCl and you will get the formation of phenol. Formation of phenol from sodium phenoxide, or it is sodium phenate. Is it clear? So here it simply says that the chlorine groups or this chloride group is replaced by OH from the hydroxide, from the sodium hydroxides. Is it clear? Now second one is reduction of chlorobenzene. So when this chlorobenzene it undergo reduce by using a nickel or tin, etc., can any reducing agent, so you will get there which substance? One hydrogen attack here and this chlorine is attack another hydrogen, so you will get benzene plus HCl. Benzene plus HCl from chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene, when it will be reduced, that is called reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Is it clear? Then number 3, reaction with copper cyanides. Reaction with copper cyanides. When this chlorobenzene is react with CuCN, you will get there cyanobenzene. benzene. Here chlorobenzene. Understood it is? So chlorobenzene react with copper cyanides to get the cyanobenzenes. Is it clear? Now after that, then partial hydrolysis of cyanobenzene. Number 4, partial hydrolysis of cyanobenzene. So when these phenyl cyanide or it also named as cyanobenzene, it hydrolyzed. Hydrolyzed means addition of water, but partial means only one water molecule is added here. So in presence of dilute HCl, so you will get which substance? That is this oxygen attack on carbon and hydrogen attack on nitrogen. So you will get CONH2, that name as a benzamide. Benzamides. It's a partial hydrolysis. Okay. Now complete hydrolysis. So when this cyanobenzene, it's a complete hydrolysis 2H2O by using dilute HCl. So this one we will get COOH and ammonia. Now how is it happening? So here this 2H2O we write HOH and here H2O. So this NH3 and this oxygen, this OH as well as this oxygen attack on carbon. So you will get there the benzoic acid and removal of ammonia. Number 6, reduction of cyanobenzene. Reduction. So when these phenyl cyanides, it undergo reduce in presence of lithium aluminum hydrides. So there 4 hydrogen. So 2 will be attack on nitrogen and 2 will be attack on carbon. So which compound is POC? When carbon is added to hydrogen, so CH2, and nitrogen added to hydrogen means NH2. So CH2, NH2, name as benzyl amines. Again we have to write it here. Listen, reaction with copper cyanides, so this chloride group replaced by cyanide. You know the cyanide is a stronger nucleophile. After that, the cyanide groups are partially hydrolyzed to get the CONH2. Name as here the, and when the CONH2 groups, it simply name as a amide. This group it name as amide, and when they are placed with benzene ring, therefore it name as benzamides. Okay. Now second thing, CN converted to the COOH. In this case, CN converted to COOH. That is complete hydrolysis. Okay. Here partial hydrolysis में CN converted to CONH2, and these reactions, the CN in the reduction case converted to CH2 NH2. Okay, so this is complete hydrolysis, this is partial hydrolysis. Any difficulty? So simply we say that here it is very simple. In the partial hydrolysis, cyanobenzene converted to benthamides. Complete hydrolysis, cyanobenzene converted to benzoic acids. Here it added 2 water. In partial hydrolysis, added 1 water. And in the next case, reduction of cyanobenzene. So here it is 4 hydrogen is added by using the reducing agents lithium aluminum hydrides to get the benzyl amines. Okay, so these are the simple reactions of cyanobenzenes. So please note down this. Okay, now some important name reactions of the haloarenes. Just before that we say that the 6 total reactions, after that number 7, but it is a name reactions. So already in the previous lesson, in the chemical properties of haloalkanes, we discussed their Roots reactions. So in the Roots reaction, 2 similar molecule of alkyl halides. 2 similar molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to get the higher alkane containing only even number of carbon atoms. Understood it is? So it already discussed in this previous period. So here it is Roots fitting, means it's a combination of Roots as well as fitting. So what is the Roots fitting reaction? Simply it is the one molecule of aryl halides, because we discussed the chemical properties of haloarene. So one molecule of aryl halides and one molecule of alkyl halide. So alkyl halide for Roots and aryl halide for fittings. Understood? So one molecule of aryl halides, one molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal. React with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So to get aromatic, मतलब the side से benzene. So it is a alkyl benzene. So alkyl group from alkyl halides and benzene from chlorobenzene. So here it will get the tolling and elimination of NaCl, just like a Roots reaction. But in the Roots reaction, in place of chlorobenzene, we take again methyl chlorides and you will get the ethane there. Understood it is? So Roots fitting, it say that one molecule of alkyl halides and one molecule of aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to get the corresponding alkyl benzene. Understood? In place of CH3Cl, if you will take C2H5Br, so you will get ethyl benzene. No issue. Whatever substance you have to take. Suppose another one example, C6H5Br, sodium, and again C2H5Br. So what will get? C6H5, C2H5 plus twice NaBr. It named as ethyl benzene. But this is also the reaction of Roots fitting. This is the example of Roots fitting. Now this reaction is carried out in presence of dry ether. Any difficulty? Say after that fitting. Now for Roots reaction, 2 alkyl halide. Roots fitting, 1 alkyl halide, 1 aryl halide. So what about the fitting? 2 molecule of aryl halides. So when these 2 molecule of aryl halides, just we take the chlorobenzene. If you take chlorobenzene also, bromobenzene also, iodobenzene also, no issue at all. Okay. So in the fitting reaction, we take the 2 molecule of aryl halides, react with sodium metals in presence of dry ether. So definitely elimination of NaCl, and it will get this phenyl group and this phenyl group combine with each other and therefore it name as here diphenyl or biphenyl. Bi means two, di means two. Understood it is? So the two molecule of chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to get the biphenyls. That is a fitting reaction. Understood? So in fitting reaction, two similar molecule of aryl halides. In Roots reaction, two similar molecule of alkyl halides. And in the root splitting, one alkyl and one aryl. Understood? Then Ullmann reactions, same thing as like a fitting, but in place of sodium, here it is a use copper. जैसे Roots reaction की जगह पे Franklin reaction था. When two similar molecule of alkyl halides react with zinc, so it will get higher alkane containing the even number of carbon. But sodium की जगह पे उन्होंने क्या use किया था? Zinc. So same thing is here. In place of sodium, here it is used copper. So two molecule of aryl halide, but here properly you take only one of the substance, that is iodobenzene. It does not require chlorobenzene or chlorobenzene. Only it is the iodobenzene. So it's a specification. Iodobenzene react with copper to get diphenyl or biphenyl and elimination of cupric iodide. So this reaction was discovered by Ullmann, hence its name as Ullmann reaction. This one is represented by, or it is discovered by the fitting, hence it is fitting reactions. Any difficulty? And this is the root splitting. So these are very important name reactions, and it is very applicable. It is always coming in the board exam. Root splitting, sometime asking fitting, sometime maybe Ullmann, roots, etc. Any difficulty? So please note down these reactions. And here the simple chemical properties of haloarenes are over. Okay.